General Sessions Court Judge Sheila Bruce Renfroe and psychiatric nurse practitioner Dr. Kivia Porter Carson. Thank you so much for coming.
Good morning.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, so first of all, let's just set the backdrop here. So Judge Renfroe, you oversee mental health court in Shelby County. So what do you say that we lose when some of the people who are going through the court system are going through the regular courts when they really need to be in the mental health court?
Well, they lose connection with the community in the biggest sense because they need the treatment. They need those resources. They need their records cleared so they can get jobs. That's the main things.
Yes, and Dr. Carson, you're on the front lines with regards to treatment is concerned. Can an inmate receive, through the mental health court, what are the services that are provided there?
So some of the services that are provided, they can receive medication management, psychotherapy, or what some people call talk therapy. They can also receive drug rehabilitative therapy as well. So if they need to go to a drug rehab, if they're using drug or alcohol or any other illicit substances, they can go to rehab for that as well. All
right, and it's really involved. We're gonna actually do mock courts here. So Judge Renfroe, if you will, when this whole, when it begins, the process begins, can you take me through what that looks like in your court?
Well, typically it's a Shelby County citizen or someone found in Shelby County to be in need of services. They're usually identified by their attorney, but referrals can come from anywhere in the community. Once that person is identified, they're referred to a mental health court team for an assessment. And they look at things like their past behaviors, whether they had a diagnosis, what their relationships are like, and to determine if they're a good fit for mental health court. Then we send them to a medical professional like Dr. Porter for a diagnosis. Once that diagnosis is obtained and the district attorney's office is cooperative with the charges that they have, we do misdemeanors or felonies amended to misdemeanors. That's what we can dispose of in general sessions. Then we get them on board with mental health court.
And so this is non-violent offenders?
Non-violent offenders. Occasionally we will have someone charged with an assault or a light case or domestic assault, but oftentimes the victims, the family, or whoever's involved really want those citizens to get those services and not remain in jail, get back out there in the community and be thriving.
All right, Dr. Carson, we're going to do Beyond the Gates on Live at 9 this morning. I'm going to be a mental health court participant. Okay. And you are yourself, okay, obviously. And so let's just do, you do evaluations, correct, as the judge mentioned. So let's walk through an eval, as you call it, and I am the mental health court.
All right. Perfect. So I will begin with introducing myself. So hi, good morning. I'm Dr. Kivia Porter Carson, and I'm a psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. I've been sent here on behalf of mental health court to do an evaluation. You were referred by your attorney. They suspect that you possibly have a mental health illness. So I'm going to ask you a couple of questions to confirm a diagnosis. Okay. All right. So I looked at your record, and I see that you had a theft of under $1,000. You went into a department store and you stole a couple of items. I looked back at your history and I saw that you had a history of diagnosis of bipolar disorder. Is that true, Miss Anthony?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So typically with bipolar, it is a mood disorder. And with mood disorders, you kind of have like, sometimes you have some highs and some lows. With the highs, we call that manic behavior. And with manic behavior, sometimes you have irritability, you're very irritable, you're angry, you have racing thoughts, you may stay up in a couple of days without sleep, and you may have some type of impulsive or risky behavior, such as going into a clothing store and stealing items. Then we have the second part of it is the depressed part. Sometimes you may stay manic for about a week, and then after that, you'll become depressed. With depression, you'll be withdrawn, you may overeat, you may sleep a lot, you may cry, and even sometimes some people have suicidal thoughts. Have you ever experienced that before?
And right now I'm looking for the diagnosis of being approved for that mental health designation.
Right.
Correct. Okay. Yes.
Okay. So if you said yes to everything, I suspect that you may have bipolar disorder. With bipolar disorder, I would recommend to the courts that you have medication management, such as with a mood stabilizer or an antidepressant to treat your mood, and so you won't have those manic behaviors where you go out and do impulsive things. And then we'll also recommend psychotherapy, where you have some therapy where you can learn some coping skills, how to deal with your diagnosis. So I'm going to refer you back to the court, and the judge will tell you what to do next, since I've now diagnosed you with bipolar disorder.
And so how does it move this fast?
We'd like for it to.
Right.
We need more resources. And we'll get to, I guess, our gala later to try and get more resources.
Let's talk about that right now.
Well, we're going to have our first inaugural gala May 1st at the Annisdale Mansion, 1325 Lamar, 7 to 9 p.m. We're going to have heavy hors d'oeuvres and a whole lot of fun, and a silent auction. And it's to raise money for our mental health court participants. We are only getting funding currently from the state, not any from the county. So our funds are depleted pretty quickly. We are trying to expedite people out of intake from the jail. That was the whole goal of the pilot program that we started. And I have everything in place, but we need more feet on the ground, and we need more funding to help them out.
And just to piggyback on that, why is this so important to see that funding?
So that, like she said, so that people can get the treatment they need. A lot of times with mental health disorders, they do have impulsive behaviors that may lead them into the criminal justice system. So if we can get them to have the resources to get the help they need, like she said, they can go back into the community and be productive citizens.
All right, we'll put the information up on the screen for you one more time so you can go to this event. It's a good time for a good cause. Judge Bruce Renfroe and Dr. Porter Carson, thank you so much.
Thank you.
For Beyond the Gates.
They can find it on Eventbrite. Thank you.
Oh, good. Okay, Eventbrite. Perfect.